To deactivate your CoPilot 9 product key, click the 6 gold squares, click Main Menu, click My CoPilot at the bottom in the center, click My Account, click on Change Device. Always use the mobile internet method. Do not use the desktop computer button. Click on mobile internet. There is a bug in version 9 CoPilot that is going to say "we're sorry" in a moment on the screen. You can ignore that bug. It actually did deactivate your program, even though it says that it didn't. At this point, this is the bug I was telling you about. We have deactivated. We're going to click OK. And it's going to bring you up to the point that says you are not signed in. This means we have successfully deactivated your current key. You can then close the CoPilot.